Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open a phone application, then you tap here, go to settings, then go to the block numbers. Here you can set to block all unknown and private numbers. You can just enter number which you want to block here, and then tap here and it will be blocked. You can select a number from your recent calls. You can select one number from your contacts list. Or, as I already said, you can just enter number here, tap here, and this one number will never call you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.